As you are defining specific groups of assets or spaces within Autodesk Tandem, views can be leveraged to store and recall filtered datasets. This enables quick navigation between various assets, spaces, or systems within your facility. A view defines which parameters are leveraged within the Filters panel, where filter values are applied, the columns included in your inventory, as well as various viewer settings such as color coding, clustering, camera position, focal length, and section planes. In order to navigate saved views, click the bookmark icon on the right side of the top ribbon. Views can be organized and displayed by list or gallery mode. When you are ready to create a view, click the Save View As button and provide a name. Once you have multiple saved views, you can search through your views by name. In the case that you want to make changes to an existing view, select the view and then make the appropriate changes and click Save. You can also select the Save As option to save this as a new view. Clicking the View Actions button will allow you to set the view as a default view for the facility, default for yourself, or delete the view. Setting a view as a default for the facility means this will be the default state loaded for anyone accessing the facility, and setting the view as My Default will provide this as a default state for yourself, but not impact others within the facility. You can also choose the Move To option, which will allow you to move your view to an existing group or to create new group headings.